Hello, my name is Mike Gangle, President and owner of the Chad Company. We've been in business since 1971 and specialize in the design, manufacture, and service of USDA-approved washing and pasteurizing equipment for meat slaughtering and processing operations of all sizes. We pride ourselves on excellent product design and quality and exceptional customer service. With over 250 customers worldwide, we are the industry leader and product innovator for all of your washing and pasteurizing needs. In this short video, we will explain and demonstrate for you the patented Chad HotWater pasteurization system, a technology for the reduction and control of pathogens on the surface of red meat carcasses during the slaughtering process. Additionally, we will acquaint you with other Chad products for red meat operations. This video will show you the Chad HotWater pasteurization system in use, present detailed research data, and list the many features and benefits that Chad products offer for you. We developed the Chad HotWater pasteurization system to support food safety as the #1 priority in the red meat industry. Food safety is a continuum from farm to table. Therefore, multiple intervention strategies are required to continually reduce the risk of pathogens during the food production process. The use of the Chad HotWater pasteurization system augments this approach by significantly reducing microbial contamination and virtually eliminating all pathogens as carcasses exit the slaughter floor. The Chad HotWater pasteurization system was developed through cooperation with major meat science universities and meat processor. Here is a listing of several major research projects conducted by noted meat science universities and agencies that confirm the dramatic effectiveness of hot water as an antimicrobial intervention on the surface of red meat carcasses. Please note that some of these studies are inoculated or laboratory studies, and others are uninoculated production studies. In all cases, the reduction in total plate counts was between 95% to 99.99%, which is a 1.5 to 4 log reduction. And the reduction in specific pathogens is greater than 99%, which is a 2 log reduction. These dramatic results were consistent for all species, beef, hogs, and sheep. One of the most comprehensive research studies on hot water was conducted by Texas A&M University. This study documented the efficacy of hot water pasteurization, organic acid sprays, and a combination of both treatments. The result was clear. Hot water alone is very effective, and organic acid alone is very effective. But the combination of hot water followed by organic acid is better than each individual treatment. Similar results were confirmed by Iowa State University for hog carcasses. As you may know, the Chad Company pioneered the use of organic acid sprays for bacteria control on the surface of red meat carcasses during the slaughtering process. We installed our first system in 1983 and now have over 100 systems operating worldwide. With the research results explained before and our experience with organic acid sprays, we quickly developed the Chad HotWater pasteurization system as a 2-step process: hot water pasteurization followed by organic acid pasteurization. Now let us look in detail at the features and benefits of the Chad HotWater pasteurization system, USDA model HWP-1000. As you have just seen, the Texas A&M and Iowa State University studies confirmed that exposing the surface of the carcass to hot water at 165 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 to 10 seconds, followed by an application of organic acid, delivered the maximum benefits. Therefore, we guarantee these parameters with the Chad HotWater pasteurization system. With the very efficient Chad HotWater delivery system, we are able to maintain 165 degrees Fahrenheit to the surface of the carcass with a spray temperature of only 185 degrees Fahrenheit. With only a 20 degree Fahrenheit temperature loss during the application process, operating costs, including steam requirements, are minimized. The Chad HotWater pasteurization system uses a microprocessor-controlled steam induction system to consistently provide the proper water temperature to the surface of the carcass. With steam induction, No components are submerged in the recirculated water, in contrast to other heating systems such as plate coil or shell and tube. This results in a very efficient water heating system with minimal maintenance and cleaning and long system life. Using the CHAD patented oscillating spray mechanism, the CHAD system provides complete carcass coverage for all surfaces of the carcass, including the hard-to-reach areas. This thorough coverage provides an additional wash of the carcass for the added benefit of reducing visible contamination. The CHAD hot water pasteurization system employs recirculated water to minimize water usage, disposal costs, and steam usage. Of course, the recirculated water is filtered through 3 stainless steel water filters with mesh as small as 59 thousandths. The recirculated water temperature is always above 180 degrees Fahrenheit before spraying the carcass, resulting in complete water sterilization. The CHAD USDA-approved recirculated water system has been thoroughly tested many times. All tests have confirmed that the recirculated water in the CHAD system is free of pathogens. A unique component of the CHAD hot water pasteurization system is a 2-pin chart recorder for recording temperature and acid concentration and provides a hard copy for your HACCP records. Another unique feature of the CHAD hot water pasteurization system is very efficient steam vapor and atomization control. The system utilizes air curtains at the entrance and exit of the cabinet and exhaust blowers to evacuate the cabinet. The curtain blower is controlled by a variable frequency drive. A very important feature of the CHAD hot water pasteurization system is the design flexibility to meet your individual plant requirements. The CHAD system allows simple and quick adjustments, including oscillation rate, inlet water temperature, and length of exposure time. This flexibility is very important to maximize microbial reductions without affecting the appearance of the carcass. All design functions are controlled by an easy-to-use main control panel supplied with the CHAD system. The control panel is designed for simple and quick startup and shutdown of the system in the proper sequence of operations. Since the CHAD hot water pasteurization system is a 2-step process, your HACCP plan can establish your critical control point as hot water and/or organic acid. Therefore, you have a built-in backup critical control point to minimize downtime. As mentioned before, a chart recorder is provided with the CHAD system to provide a HACCP record of your hot water temperature and organic acid concentration. Depending on the proximity of the CHAD hot water pasteurization system to your cooler, an optional CHAD chill spray assembly may be installed to help reduce the surface temperature of the carcass before entering the cooler. Spraying the carcass with cold water, preferably 34 degrees Fahrenheit, reduces the surface temperature of the carcass to approximately standard body temperature. This helps reduce the load on your refrigeration system and minimize the opportunity for condensation in the cooler. The CHAD hot water pasteurization system is designed for minimum space requirements, offering cabinets as small as 7 feet long for the smallest plant. In fact, if the hot water and organic acid sprays are installed at the same time, both processes can be incorporated into one cabinet with separate chambers. The CHAD hot water pasteurization system is a very complete offering, providing all of the major components required for your installation. Additionally, models are available for plants of all sizes. Therefore, the CHAD system offers the lowest equipment, operating, and installation costs in the industry. Here is a listing of the numerous CHAD models available for plants of all sizes. As you can see, we have designed CHAD hot water pasteurization systems for the smallest to largest plants, and the CHAD hot water pasteurization process can be purchased separately if your plant already has an organic acid spray system. Before I summarize the features and benefits of the CHAD system, let's directly compare the CHAD hot water pasteurization system to steam pasteurization that is currently used in some meat slaughter plants. There have been at least 2 research studies that directly compare the antimicrobial efficacy of hot water pasteurization to steam pasteurization. One of these studies was a production study conducted by a major U.S. beef slaughterer with hot water pasteurization in one plant and steam pasteurization in another plant. The test showed that hot water pasteurization was comparable to steam pasteurization in the reduction and control of microbial contamination on the carcass surface. Another study was conducted by the Canada Research Centre in Alberta, Canada. Surveying several slaughter plants, their published report scientifically confirmed that hot water pasteurization outperformed steam pasteurization for the reduction and control of aerobes and E. coli. Since the Chad hot water pasteurization system is a complete offering designed to meet the needs of plants of all sizes, the price of the Chad hot water pasteurization system is generally the lowest in the industry. When compared to steam pasteurization, the equipment and installation costs of the Chad system will be less than 1/3 the cost of a steam pasteurization system. The Chad hot water pasteurization system has been very well received by the industry. When this video was made, we had orders for 18 Chad hot water pasteurization systems, with more orders expected in the near future. Over 1 dozen of these systems are installed and operating successfully on a daily production basis. These hot water systems are installed in a wide variety of plants, from a few hundred head to several thousand head per day, and in cow bull and fat cattle operations. We are proud that Chad is the only company in the industry that can offer a complete system for your washing and pasteurizing needs. Here is a diagram of the sequence of operations for the Chad system. Remember, since the Chad company designs and manufactures all of your equipment, we offer various models of these products to meet the needs for plants of all sizes. Therefore, the price and size of the Chad washing and pasteurizing equipment is minimized for the size of your operation. The use of Chad equipment installed in the recommended order will minimize microbial contamination on the surface of the carcass as your carcass exits the slaughter floor. Now that you have seen the Chad hot water pasteurization system, here is a complete array of quality Chad equipment for all red meat species: beef, hog, sheep, veal, and others. In addition to this video, other Chad videos are available for beef slaughter equipment, hog slaughter equipment, and the boot scrubber wash. For detailed information on any of the above Chad products and to request a product video, please call me at 800-444-8360 in the United States and Canada, or 913-764-0321 outside of the United States and Canada, or fax me at 913-764-0779 worldwide. We look forward to working with you on a project in the near future. Thank you from everyone at the Chad Company.